In the remaining fragments of our unique woodlands, a silent battle unfolds. Our precious woodland birds, like the endangered South-eastern Hooded Robin and the critically endangered Regent Honeyeater, are barely hanging on. Their numbers are plummeting, threatened by habitat destruction and climate change. In 10 years, the South-eastern Hooded Robin's population has declined by over 50%, and fewer than 250 Regent Honeyeaters remain in the wild. They're teetering on the edge of extinction. These remarkable birds, once found in large flocks from Rockhampton to Adelaide, are fighting for survival. The threats woodland birds face are enormous. Their homes are being lost to habitat destruction and fragmentation. Climate change is increasing the risk of frequent intense fires and droughts, and crucial breeding grounds, like the Tamalpin woodlands, face industrial development. But there's hope. Together, we can stop extinction and reverse the decline. If we act now, we can help these extraordinary woodland birds survive. Your donation can help save our remaining woodlands and strengthen the laws that are failing to protect them. You can help us provide safe refuges from droughts and megafires. You can support captive breeding and release programs, and you can help seed trees with mistletoe, providing a food source for woodland birds. For over 120 years, BirdLife Australia has been leading the way in Australian bird conservation. And right now, we're facing our greatest challenge yet, Australia's extinction crisis. We need your help today, because extinction is forever. Your support can help us continue our vital bird conservation work and build crucial partnerships. Help us educate about the devastation of deforestation, the importance of habitat restoration, and the urgent need for change. Together, we can put nature on the path to recovery by 2033. Right now is the time to act, to ensure that our threatened woodland birds can thrive once again, so future generations can hear their songs echoing through our forests. To save birds is to save life. Donate today at appeal.birdlife.org.au or call 1300 730 075. Any donation of $2 or more is fully tax deductible in Australia. Help us make a difference, because every bird counts.